Hello viewers, welcome to our Excel video sessions. In today's video, you will find one beautiful usage of find and replace utility in Excel. We all know that find is basically to search a particular item within a worksheet, and the shortcut key is also well familiar, which is Control F. On the other hand, replace allows you to both find and, if required, you can substitute it with some other values or some other characters. That is universally almost known by every Excel users. But that's not my intention of explaining find and how find and replace works in Excel. My whole intention is that how beautifully you can apply this find and replace utility in Excel to solve some complex tasks very, very easily. I repeat, sometimes these two combinations can be used to solve a particular complex task very easily. So I am showing you my Excel worksheet. Here you can see it's a loan worksheet. Now, look at this particular column, this loan policy number. Definitely, it's an alphanumeric column. Some loan policy numbers are generated where PS-786, PS-4453, HR hyphen. So PS, let us try to understand, say PS stands for personal loan. PMA stands for PF loan. HR may stand for home loan. ED may refer to educational loan. So this initials basically indicate us what kind of loan this person has taken. And here their loan amounts are also being specified. Now, at times, we may require to segregate this PS from this particular 786. This is, here you can say, I have created a column that is called application number. So loan policy number is precisely formed by combination of type of loan, then hyphen, and the application number. And our task is to, in this loan type, we need to write PS, PA, HR, ED, or HRL. Here is another twist. You will find some before hyphen, it is not a symmetric case. Before hyphen, it is not like that only two characters are to be there, are to be retrieved. Sometimes you will find three characters. Here is also one occurrence where before hyphen, we have to identify the first three characters. Of course, honestly saying, these things could be done by applying combination of various Excel textual functions like find, left, etc., etc. But how simply we can do it using find and replace, that is my intention to show in this video. So what I am doing, I am copying all these values, simply Control C and Control V. I am putting the loan, I am copying and pasting under this particular column. So what you can see, everything has come. So now I am going to find and replace. I need to say find and replace. So here I am choosing replace. So definitely it is asking what to find. Many people may not be aware that here you can apply wildcard. So my intention is I want to remove hyphen as well as whatever values are associated post hyphen. So what I'm doing, I'm saying hyphen and star. And in replace with, I am not putting anything else. That means all these entries will be removed by nothing. And further, I can, this is already selected. I can choose once again. And if I say replace all, if I say replace all, I can see all done and 21 replacements have been made. So you can see that, yes, my job is done within a span of just 1 minute. You can see PS is there, you can see PA is there, you can cross-check, EDs are there, etc., etc. Similarly, I need to generate all the application numbers. Normally what happens, I have seen many people first copy and paste. Either they try to do some manual rectification, which may be a time consuming process if there are 200, 300 entries. But now once again, I'm applying the same process. I'm copying the same data using Control C and putting here under the application number column. So try to understand, this time I want to retain 786, 7765, 100, 4527, all these application numbers. So once again, I am selecting all these values, going to select the replace once again. You can see Control H is the shortcut for replace. Now, this time I am going to say star and hyphen. That means before hyphen, including hyphen, whatever entries are there, they should be replaced. And now I'm saying, I am not writing anything over here. I'm just saying replace all. So again, I can see we made 21 replacements. Look at here. If I click on OK, all the application number has been successfully generated. So no textual function, no very critical tasks. Using simple find and replace, we can achieve such kind of tasks as well. So I hope genuinely you have liked this technique. If you have liked, kindly subscribe if you not have done already, and do like our video so that it can reach to many other subscribers or viewers as well. If you want to say something in the comment part, you can definitely put your valuable comments. Thank you.